Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial with you guys, and I'm just going to start by putting powder on my brows to get rid of any oils that may be like in my brows. So I'm going to go in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5, and I'm going to use that to carve out my brows, fill them in. So the secret to a good brow is your pressure. You want to make sure that you are not really heavy on the product. For one, because what's going to happen is the pencil may break, or it may just be too dark, and not natural. So for a more natural looking brow, you want to make sure that you are using a very light hand. And I kind of put more pressure when I am carving out around the brows, as opposed to actually filling them in with pressure. But where you want to avoid putting the most pressure is definitely in the front of your brows. You want that to be the most natural part of your brows. So next I'm going to go in with my 24-hour brow setter. And this is the star of the show when it comes to your brows. This product really locks your brow hairs in place and just create that really, really nice brow effect. So the way you want to use this product is actually deposit the product onto the brow, and then the flatter side of the brush, you want to use that to lay the hairs down in place and lock them into place. I actually have a lamination, so it's a little bit easier to actually lay my hairs down because they are naturally already laying flat. So next I'm going to go in and carve out my brows with some concealer. The concealer that I'm using is the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is pretty much kind of close to my skin complexion. So it's going to give the brows a highlighted effect, but not too crazy. So the trick to carving out your brows is just to make sure that you are literally following the shape of your brows in order to get the best looking brow. So it's really nothing to it. It's nothing to overthink. If you can color in lines, you can fill in your brows. It's literally a mindset thing. So here I am just going in and blending that out. We want to make sure we're blending to make things look as natural as possible. And look at that brow, y'all. It looks so good. I literally did a very minimal amount of work, and my brows look nice. And you can do it too. You guys just did my brows with me, so you can do your own brows, okay? I believe in you. Super quick, super easy. And this is the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.